Oddbot is an AI-powered email bot which analyses the betting odds for Euro 2024 matches. The purpose is an experiment showing you what you can create in NodeScript in about 15 minutes. Let's dive in and I'll show you how it works. So the first step is that we want to scrape the betting odds for today's games from the Oddschecker website, and we can do this using our magic AI powered web scraper. So what you need to do is provide the URL and then an example of the type of data that you wish to get back. So you don't need to provide a JSON schema. This is just a simple JSON object which shows what the data we want needs to look like. And so let's run that. So now this is sending a bot to the website, and we'll use AI to automatically pass the data. So this is what's come back. You can see all of the matches, the home odds, the draw odds, the away odds, and the URL and so on. So we're interested in today's matches only, so we filter out all of the other ones, and these are the matches that are going on today. The next thing we need to do is scrape the home and away team form so that Oddbot can provide some kind of analysis, objective analysis on what it thinks the odds should be. So let's run that. So here are the results. So for each of the matches, this is the home form and the away form. So you can see each of the fixtures and the scores and so on. And then finally, we want to gather all of this information together and use it to build a prompt that we send to ChatGPT so that Oddbot can create some kind of intelligent analysis on the betting odds and decide which ones are good and which ones are bad. So this is the prompt that you can see here. So this is a simple text template, and then down here we insert the matches, and that contains all of the odds and then the away and the home form for each of the teams. So then the last step is that we send this all off to ChatGPT to provide the full analysis and derive the content. And here's the result. And here's one I made earlier, which was sent to me earlier today. So you can see that it's assessed the betting odds for the various matches that are going on and given its unique insight. And then as an added bonus, what it also does is it reflects on the recommendations that it made on yesterday's matches, and works out how good its recommendations were. And then finally, it pretends that it invested £10 as a bet on each game, and then works out whether it was profitable or making a loss.